Hello friends, myself Srimati Sheetal Yash Shawale from RBH Kanya Junior College, Malegaon Camp. Welcomes to you to your today's online session in Chemistry for 12th Science. In today's session, we will see inner transition elements. The elements in which the additional electron or differentiating electron enters into the pre-penultimate shell, that is n-2f orbital, are called as f-block elements. The f-block elements consist of two inner transition series. First transition series is from cerium with atomic number 58 to lutetium with atomic number 71, or the 4f series. And the actinide series, this is from thorium with atomic number 90 to lawrencium with atomic number 103, or this series is called as 5f series. F orbital lies much inside the d orbital in relation to the transition metals, and the f-block elements are called as inner transition elements. These elements have 1 to 14 electrons in their f orbitals. This f orbital is situated or placed separately at the bottom of the periodic table. You can see in this table there is the f-block elements are placed. There are two series of f-block. First series is lanthanide. Here lanthanum is present. Those of the elements in lanthanide series follows this lanthanum. That's why this series is named as lanthanide series. And these elements in the actinide series follows this actinium. The properties of this series are similar to that of actinium. That's why this series is named as actinide. These series are placed here for convenience at the bottom of the periodic table. This series consists of 28 elements, 14 lanthanide elements and 14 actinoid elements. These lanthanide elements from cerium. This is a cerium 58 to 71, and this thorium 92. This is lawrencium 103. First we see lanthanide series. This series consists of elements from lanthanum with atomic number 57 to lutetium with atomic number 71. This series consists of 14 elements. After lanthanum, the elements cerium with atomic number 58 to lutetium with atomic number 71 are placed. These 14 elements after lanthanum are placed at the bottom of the periodic table in 4f block or 4f series. For convenience, the general electronic configuration of lanthanide series elements is 4f 1 to 14, 5d 0 to 1, 6s 2 electrons. Here in this table, the electronic configuration of lanthanides are given. The elements which are present in lanthanide series are called as lanthanides. Also, there is the electronic configuration in their +3 oxidation state are also given here. The first element lanthanum with atomic number 57 having ground state electronic configuration xenon 6s to 5d1. This xenon having a atomic number 54 plus 6s2 means 54, 56 and 5d1 57. In this way, the electronic configurations of elements in the lanthanide series are given here. The electrons are from this configuration table, we can see here the electrons are successively filled up into 4f orbitals. This series is also called as 4f series. These electrons are successively filled here. You can see here. In case of lanthanum, the 5d orbitals and 4f orbitals. In case of lanthanum, 5d orbitals and 4f orbitals are very close. For lanthanum, 4f orbital is slightly higher in energy than 5d. That's why the lanthanum having electronic configuration xenon 6s2 5d1 instead of xenon 6s2 4f1. For gadolinium here and lutetium having a 5d1 electron, which makes f orbital half filled and full filled, which gives extra stability to these elements, gadolinium and lutetium. These are the electronic configurations of lanthanide series elements. The next to this is oxidation states of lanthanides. +3 oxidation state is a common to all elements in lanthanide series. Here 2 electrons from S subshell and 1 electron from D or F subshell are removed. In case of lanthanides, the 4f electrons are strongly screened by inner electrons of 5s and 5p orbitals. That's why some lanthanides shows the oxidation states of +2 and +4 in their solutions or in solid compounds. They are formed in case of F0, F7 or F14 electronic configuration. The examples are cerium +4 having a electronic configuration 4f0. Valence electronic configuration is 4f0 and terbium +4 oxidation state 4f7 configuration. These are the oxidation states are shown by lanthanides. Then colored ions. Many of the lanthanide ions are colored in both solid and in solution due to F-F transition. In the same case, in the same way of D transition in transition elements. Here in case of F block elements or lanthanides, there is the F-F transition since they have a partially filled f orbitals. The absorption bands are narrow, probably because of excitation within f levels. Then color of lanthanides. Color of lanthanide ions due to the presence of unpaired electrons in partially filled 4f subshell. Due to absorption of radiation in the visible region, there is the excitation of unpaired electron from 4f orbital of lower energy to f orbital of higher energy, giving F-F transition. The observed color is complementary to color of the light absorbed. The color of trivalent ions M3 plus cations depends on number of unpaired electrons in f orbitals. Here in this table, the trivalent cations of lanthanides are given. Some of the trivalent cations are given. Here the lanthanide ions having equal number of unpaired electrons having similar. Then properties of lanthanides. They are soft metals with silvery white color and moderate densities of nearly equal to 7 gram per cubic centimeter. They tarnish in air rapidly, means the color and brightness of this lanthanide reduces on exposure to air. Their hardness increases with increasing atomic number. Samarium is hard like a steel. They are good conductors of heat and electricity. Promethium is the only element in lanthanide series which is radioactive. Except promethium, all the lanthanides are non-radioactive. Then atomic and ionic sizes or lanthanide contraction. Here, as we move from the lanthanide series, there is a gradual decrease in atomic and ionic radii of lanthanides with increasing atomic number. It's called as lanthanide contraction. As the atomic number increases, the nuclear charge increases and electrons are added to pre-penultimate, that is n-2 subshell, 4f subshell. The attraction of nucleus on 4f electrons increases with increasing atomic number. The outer new electrons are added to the same inner 4f subshell. Thus, the 4f electrons shield each other from the nuclear charge poorly due to their diffuse nature. With increasing atomic number and nuclear charge, the effective nuclear charge experienced by the each 4f electrons increases. As a result, the whole of the 4f electrons shell contracts at each successive element. This is known as lanthanide contraction. Then applications of lanthanides. The lanthanide compounds are present in every household. It is inside the color television tubes. When electrons are bombarded on certain mixed lanthanide compounds, they emit visible light over a small wavelength range. Therefore, the inside surface of the television tube or computer monitor is coated with tiny patches of three different lanthanide compositions to give three colors that make the color image. Then the lanthanides are also used in street lights, searchlights, and in the high intensity lighting in sports stadiums. These lanthanides also used to form silicon chips. Some lanthanides, because of their good heat and electrical conductivity, they are used to form chips in semiconductors as ytterbium or praseodymium and neodymium. They are also used in lasers. This praseodymium and gadolinium, they are used in the formation of lasers. Lanthanides are also used in hybrid cars or in superconductors or in permanent magnets. These are the applications of lanthanides.